I love talking about exercise in pregnancy. It is very important for women to maintain some level of activity during their pregnancy. The recommendations that I usually make is if you were doing it before you were pregnant, it is a great idea to continue it while you're pregnant. We don't want you to start a new exercise regimen, but walking, swimming is a great idea and really makes you feel so much better when you're pregnant. The other thing I tell people is be careful with contact sports. No surfing, no diving, no softball playing. Something that will keep you active and allow you to have fun and really enjoy your pregnancy. And it also makes you have a great sense of self. Being able to exercise in pregnancy lowers your risk of high blood pressure and also diabetes during that pregnancy. But remember, always be safe. Ask your doctor if you have any questions about what's okay for you during your pregnancy. It's especially important if you have a high-risk pregnancy to discuss with your doctor what's okay for you and your baby.